Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Megha. I am from PCS Global Team 2 and today I am here with another video on routing. Today we will do the routing, the part which we have done earlier. We have done the angular part. We have done the component part. Sorry, we have done the component part. Today we will do the routing part. We will see how the routing work in body, footer, header, nav bar. We have made the, as you have known, we have made the component part. We have done the component part. In component part, first we have done the ng new component. Then we have made ng gc, body, header, footer, and nav bar. Today we will do the routing part. We'll see how the routing work. Go to terminal, new terminal. We have opened a new terminal. Okay, let's see. First, we have to make a about us and service page. We will see the routing in two form only, two page only. We will not see the routing in many form. We will do the routing in two form only. Okay. First, we will for routing we have to make about us and service page. We will see how the about us and service page work. We have to write, first we have to give the path directory cd component. Cd component we have written. Then we have to write nggc about us. Nggc about us. Here about us, 4 parameters will be created. 4 package will be there. Like footer, body, header, nav bar. About us also be here only. See, we have to wait for some time. It will be created. Here is the compilation form. Here we have to do. You can do the same in one terminal also, but it is better you open 2 terminal and you do the coding. See, here it is created about us. Now we will create nggc service. Nggc service. Now we will do the routing part. We have to go to the app routing module.ts. Here in line number 4, we have to write enter. And here you have to give code. Wait, I'm copying paste the code, but I will explain you what the code is. Actually, I made this. See, we will see for about us and service. See, first the path name should be blank and it will be redirect to home page. Full path match will be full. And now we will give the path to home. Home is in body component. Now the about us is the about us component. Service is the service component. How we are getting the service component? See, we have to go to service. Then we have to go to service component.ts. See here, service component is written. This service component we have to write in the routing part. For same for about us and home also. Okay, this we have done. Now we will see, we will write the code. Now we will write the HTML code. See, this is the HTML code. We have given the app heading, app header. See, in HTML, we have given this. But we have to write the, we have to make the table. We have to make table. Table width should be width is 100. Now we will make the TR tag. And we will make the TD tag. And in between, we will write the app header. Here, this app header will be written here. same we have to do for, see, same we have to do for all. So I'm just copy pasting. You have to see the code which I have given. You have to write this. See, first you have to give the table tag for app header. Then you have to give the table tag for app navbar. Then you have to give the router outlet. And here app footer. Here I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Can anybody tell? See, I haven't import the body component. You have to press Control space bar. Here you will get an option. You have to click here. Control space bar. You get an option. Then you have to click there. This is the you have to import this. Here you have to import this. If you don't import, you won't get the output. HTML is done. Now we will see in what page we have to make changes. See, we have to go to service layer. We have to see service work is there only. We have to see navbar. In navbar we have to make the routing. Navbar we have to make the routing for about us and service. A link should be active. Navbar, about us and service. You have to copy paste this code in navbar.html. navbar.html. So you have to remove this. The navbar work you have to paste here. Okay. Now see, navbar is done. Now the header header is only header. We are getting only header. We don't have to write anything, header work or header, only header. We remove the paragraph type and write header. See, you are getting the option header. Okay, header done. Now we will see the footer part. Footer, in footer, this is the footer. We have written only this is the footer. So now we will get the footer, not footer in HTML. We will remove the paragraph tag. We will import the footer tag. We have closed. This is footer. We have to write this is footer. Okay. Now footer tag done. Now we have to see the body tag. Footer tag done. Body tag in body.html. This is body. You have to write this is body. In body tag also you have to import the body tag. Body. This is body. Okay, done. And if you have to, if you want to add some CSS, see, I have added some CSS to body tag. Then you have to add some CSS. This is all the HTML part which we have done, which we are doing. This is all the HTML part. And about us, this is about us work. We don't have to give the CSS. Now if you see in body color I have given, in footer also I have given the CSS. Here also I will give the CSS in footer also. Footer also I will give. Now I will save the program. See how it will run. How it will look like. See, here it is running. Okay, we haven't get any error. Wait, we will get the output. See, this is home about us service. When we are clicking on home, this is the body, this is the footer we are getting. When we are clicking on about us work, this is the footer. Footer remains same. About us work we get. When we click on service work, see, we are getting the routing part. We are getting the routing. This is the routing. When we are clicking on about us or when we are clicking on service, the form changes in the body tag. This is the routing part which we are doing. We have to make this as a routing. This is the routing for Angular component and routing. In component, we just make the header part. We have made the home, we have made the header, footer, body, map bar, and now we have for routing, we have made the about us and service. And when we click on home, see, this is the body. When we click on about us work, and when we click on service work, we'll get the output. This is all about routing. Thank you all. We will meet in next video for next topic. Thank you.